Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is Mr. P. Today guys, I will actually just be showing you how you can actually use trading robots, right? Especially the robots that are actually drop here or other robots that you actually download, trading robots, how to actually utilize them to make crazy profit from the market just like that. Because usually a lot of people actually don't know how to use trading robots, right? So they actually use trading robots wrongly, and so they don't really use the full potentials of this particular robot, right? So that's a huge problem, guys. So I will just be telling you exactly how you can actually use these trading robots to actually hit crazy amount of profit, because sometimes you actually see a robot hitting between 20 to 200 bucks every day, but then you use it and you feel like, oh, okay, I'm not hitting up to this. Okay, maybe I'm hitting just 10 bucks. Maybe I'm not going over 20 bucks every day, or maybe I'm not even making any profit from it. And this particular stuff is supposed to be hitting up to 50 bucks. Now I'm making only 10 bucks every day. Right now, the reason is because you are possibly not using the robot correctly, right? You are not just using it properly, the way it's supposed to be used, right? Now, I'm just going to be telling you exactly how to use it now. Now, first of all, we're going to look at the installation process. The number one thing that you actually need to note on every single robot is to install it properly. Very, very important, guys. So the first thing you need to do after downloading a robot, if it's on the zip file, you first of all unzip the file, right? You unzip it using any unzipping application like your WinRAR and the rest of them, just like that. Right now, after unzipping it, you simply want to copy that file, go under your files on your MetaTrader, right? You go under your files, right? Then you go under your open data folder there, right? After going there, then you just simply go under your MQL5, or if it's your MQL4, you go under your MQL4. Now, after that, you want to go under your expert and paste it in there, right? You want to paste it under your expert. Now, after pasting it under your expert, you want to close the entire MetaTrader. You want to close the entire MetaTrader platform and then restart it again. You restart the MetaTrader platform. After doing that, then you are ready to go. Now, you simply go and locate this particular robot there. You locate it, click on double click on it, or just simply touch it on open or something like that, or drag it into your charts just like that, and it's right on your chart like that. Now, what you need to do after that is to simply go under your algo trading and click on start algo trading. Now, after starting algo trading, the robot should start trading just like that automatically. Now, that's the very first thing that you should do. You should be able to install the robot properly, right? You should be able to install it properly, because it also has a spot to allow algo trading. Right now, you just make sure you actually tick the allow algo trading and start the algo trading, so you don't actually disrupt the process of the robot, right? You actually don't disrupt its analysis and things like that. You simply need to start the algo trading and allow algo trading just like that. Now, after doing that, guys, now the next thing is to actually follow the rule of the robot, right? Number one, to actually install it properly. Number two is to actually follow the rule of the robot. Right now, in following the rule of the robot, now, for every robot, there are actually rules that go along with it, especially the robots that are drop here. Right now, I actually tell you, you have to use it on this particular time frame. You have to use it at this particular time. You have to check this, you have to check that, you have to use this minimum capital to trade it, and all of those. Now, you have to follow the rules of the robot. Now, guys, that's very, very important, right? You have to follow the rules. Now, some of the rules, like I already said, is your time frame. So if a robot is working with a 1 minute, 1 hour time frame, make sure it works with 1 hour. If it's working with a 1 minute time frame, make sure you use it on the 1 minute time frame. If it's working on 4 hours, make sure you use it on 4 hours. Right? If it can work on all time frames, then it's also fine. You just let it work on all time frames. It just depends on what the creator of the robot would have said as regards that. So like the robot to actually drop here, I actually make sure to tell you the time frame and all of these other details just like that. Now, there are also times where robot works. Right now, on some of our robots, especially the mobile robots, I actually tell you the time that you should actually use this robot. Right? For example, Jackaflow. Right now, Jackaflow robots, we actually were able to look at it, and then I told you some certain time that you should actually use that particular phone robot. Right now, I actually told you use it at this time, use it at this time. So if you use it anytime outside of that and it goes wrong, it's no longer the fault of the creator, right? It's now your fault because you actually didn't follow the rules of the robot just like that. So guys, that's just how this particular stuff actually works, just like that. Now that's for number two, actually following the rules of the robot, just like that. Now the third guys is that robot actually works with steady internet connection, right? Steady internet connection. Guys, now when you're running a robot, it's usually advisable to run robots on a VPS connection, right? On a VPS connection. Very, very important, guys. Now, that's for a robot that runs 24/7, right? Now, if you are using a robot that you just want to work for, let's say you just want it to work for 2 hours, right? 2 hours. So you can simply start the robot. After that 2 hours, you disconnect and you are out, right? Now, Wi-Fi connections, right? Wi-Fi connections are not very, very perfect for robotic trading, right? Now, you can use them. It's not bad. You can use them, but it's not the best for robotic trading, right? Now, but if you are just trading on shorts, you just want to trade on 2 hours, just 2 hours trade, or 3 hours, you just want to run the robot for just 2 hours, for just 3 hours, it's not that bad, right? It's not. It's still okay, right? But it's not the best, but it's still okay. So in case you are looking for a perfect VPS to actually get, you can actually purchase that directly from the website, from my website. The link to my website is just down below. Just go to mrpfx.com. You can actually purchase a good VPS, or you can actually purchase from other VPS providers just like that. But just make sure to use a good VPS connection, run it there, and you shouldn't have any issues with internet, because robots, they actually require good internet connection to actually process things perfectly, just like that, right? So that's just how it works. Now, that's the third thing that you need. Now, the fourth thing that you need, guys, is this. The fourth thing that you need is, like, you shouldn't be greedy, right? You shouldn't be greedy. Now, these robots, you can actually adjust the lot sizes and the rest, and the lot sizes usually depends on the amount of your capital. So usually, if you are to make, if I'm actually using a 50K capital and I'm making, let's say, like 2,000, 3,000 bucks every day, right? I'm using a crazy lot size because of the amount of my capital. And now you are having, let's say, 1,000 bucks or 2,000 bucks. You want to do same thing. It doesn't work like that, guys, right? So if the amount of your capital, is kind of like not so high, okay, let's use 1,000 bucks and 100 bucks. Now I'm using 1,000 bucks, or your friend is using 1,000 bucks, and then he's making 100 bucks every day using a particular robot, right? Using it, let's assume we are actually using market speed, right? The robots that we just dropped just a few days ago. Let's assume the person is actually, your friend is using market speed on 1,000 bucks account. Now he's making 100 bucks every single day. Now you actually have 100 bucks capital. Now he's using a lot size of, let's say, 5, right? He's using a five lot size for every trade, per trade. And now you want to go and use 5 lot size on your 100 bucks capital. Of course, when it just fluctuates a little, your capital is gone, but he will still be in the trade right now, and he will still make another 100 bucks that day, and the next day another 100, and the next day another 100. Meanwhile, you've already lost your money. So what you need to do is this, guys. When running this robot, always make sure, if your capital is low, very low, make sure to use the lowest lot size. It's very advisable to do that. Now, if your capital is very high, then you can scale up your lot sizes just like that. Because if you are using the wrong lot sizes on the robot, guys, the robot will just take the trades just as you gave in. So you told the robot to take 5 lot sizes on your $100 capital. It will be like, okay, it's fine. But then when the retracement happens, boom, your capital is gone just like that. So guys, you actually want to take note of these 4 things that I actually just told you. You want to take note of these 4 things, and you don't want to break any of these rules. So if you should be able to follow all I just said, you using trading robots should actually just be perfect. You shouldn't have any much issues using trading robots just like that. So that's just how this particular stuff goes, guys. So if you're new to this channel, just remember to hit on subscription button, hit on like button, and also remember to turn the notification bell and share this video so more people can actually gain access to this video just like that. So if you're not part of our Telegram channel, we're actually running something called Operation Withdrawals, right? So we're trying to hit over 90% of our members there, right? Over 90% of our members there. We're trying to make sure that they all hit crazy withdrawals within this month just like that. So it's called Operation Withdrawals. rumors. So guys, we're actually just dropping crazy signals there. The week is starting again, right? We're dropping crazy signals, just hitting the market back to back, just like that. So if you are not part of the Mr. P Fx University, which is our Telegram channel, you are actually missing a lot, guys, because it's completely free. You are not paying a dime to be among Mr. P Fx University, and the link is just right down below there. You can actually just check the link to actually join. So that was just how it goes, guys. It's a bye for me, guys. I'm Mr. P. Peace.